In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature in Foxit PDF Reader. Now, the first thing you want to do up top, you want to click on Foxit eSign, and from here, you want to click on Manage Signatures. Now, by default, if you're signed into your account, you should have one already, but of course, I'm assuming that's not the digital signature you actually want. You actually want to sign it yourself or something like that, so you want to click on Add up top, and then in here, you can either type in your full name, again, we're not going to do this, or you could draw it. This is actually very convenient. I'm going to do this in a few seconds, and then you could also import it. So for example, if you have like an image of your signature, you could just basically import it in here and then use that as your signature inside the PDF. And then you have the paste option as well, where you can basically snapshot a signature and paste it, so you can copy and paste. And you have this online option over here where basically you can just get it as well. Okay, so usually you're gonna likely be using this draw or import ones, so I'm gonna go to draw over here and I'm gonna just type in something random. I'm gonna try typing it in instant, okay, and then I'm going to do how to. That's the name of the channel, like this. That's very ugly, but still, okay. So let's say this is my signature. Whenever you're happy, you have the options here as well. Of course, you can go ahead and change these. I'm not going to. And then you can click on OK. What this is going to do here, it's going to add a new one onto the list, and you can click on close. You can go to the top here, top left, inside Foxit eSign, click on this arrow down button, and it's going to show you the new one as well. Click on it, and you can just by default click, and it's going to get placed wherever you want, or you could just click and drag and make it as big as you want, release it, and there we go. It's going to release the signature in here as well, and then you can resize it, of course, according to your own preferences as well. So that's how to add a digital signature in Foxit Reader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.